Hey there, math geniuses. You might remember not too long ago we posted a video showing you a technique that you can use to calculate basic multiplication problems. In this video we're going to look at a technique that uses a similar method to calculate division problems without a calculator. Huh? Alright, let's take a look at a problem. Suppose we have 21 divided by 7. Well, I happen to know that 21 divided by 7 is 3. And I know you know that 21 divided by 7 is 3. But what if you didn't know that 21 divided by 7 was 3? There's a way you can figure it out very easily. In the multiplication video, we told you that all you needed to do was to be able to draw lines and count. It's very similar for division. The only thing that you do different, or I should say, in addition to, get it, addition, math, is to draw a circle as well. So let's see how this thing works. We're going to read the problem, or we're going to work the problem the same way that you read a book, from left to right, right? Just like we write, we read left to right. And in this problem, the first thing that we see is the 21. So let's write 21. All right, the next thing we see in this problem is a divide sign, which tells us to divide. That's where we're going to use the circle. We're going to draw a circle around the 21 to represent divide by. Then we have a 7 here. What we'll do with that is to draw 7 lines out of the circle. Now usually I start going straight up, and you draw the rest of them kind of about the same distance apart from each other. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're not precisely equally separated from one another, but it doesn't have to be, just close. Now then, I'm going to use dots to mark my places. You can use check marks, squares, circles, whatever you like, little stars. I'm going to use dots. Let's count to 21. Ready? Starting from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And if you look at each of our lines, you'll see that at the end of them, each one of them have 3 dots. And that tells you that 21 divided by 7 is 3, because each one has 3. Just like we knew. Let's try another one. 24 divided by 3. Same deal. Start from the 24, start from the left and work your way right. So let's write 24. Divided by is our circle around the 24. 3 tells us how many lines to draw. 1, 2, 3. And then we just count to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Alright, let's see how many dots each one of our extensions got, or lines got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, this one got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 24 divided by 1, 2, 3 is 8. Now you might be thinking to yourself, well, that's great if there are no remainders, but what about if there's a remainder? I am so glad you asked that question. It just goes to show how astute you really are. You really are a math genius. Let's talk about problems that have remainders involved. Let's look at 16 divided by 3. Let's set up our little technique here the way we did on the other problems. Now this one is going to have a remainder. In fact, let's just go ahead and see if we can figure it out. 3 times 5 is 15 with a remainder of 1. Now you all know what a remainder is, don't you? A remainder is, it's the leftovers, right? It's the leftovers. It's like you go out to eat and you eat all the steak, you eat most of the mashed potatoes and gobble up all the green beans, and the little bit of mashed potatoes that you left, that's the remainders. It's the leftovers. So remainder is a leftover. So let's set our problem up. Start with our 16 divided by, draw a circle around the 16, 3. Let's do 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And now let's count to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Count up our dots. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here at the top we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or another way of looking at it is to say we've got 5 with 1 leftover. 5 plus 1 leftover. So now what you do is take the 5 that each of our divisions got, each of our lines got, and then you add up all of the leftovers. In this case there was only 1 leftover. So it's leftover or remainder 1. Just like we said it was. I want to show you one with a remainder higher than 1. Here we have 26 divided by 3. And let's see, 3 times 8 is 24. And we have a leftovers of 2 to get to 26. Let's map it out. 26, which is this, divided by, which is this, 1, 2, we're doing a lot of divide by 3s today, aren't we? 3, and now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Let's count them up, see what we got here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Over here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, what do we do with this? Here's a little trick that'll help you. Which one of these is the smallest number? You're right, it's the 8. So this then has 8 with no leftovers, 0 leftovers. This has 8 with 1 leftover, and this has 8 with 1 leftover. Because 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9, right? 9. See? All of our separations, all of our lines ended up with 8, right? And how many leftovers were there altogether? Well, this one had 1 leftover, this one had 1 leftover, and this one had 0 leftovers. So that means there was 2 leftovers altogether. 8 remainder 2. Let's try one more just to solidify this. I'm sure you got it already, but Oh, we're going to divide by 4 this time instead of 3. Good. So we'll start with our 39 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to count to 39. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Whew, we did it. Count them up. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Down over here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, 9. Okay. And upstairs at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Like we said in the previous example, let's find the lowest number of any of our branches. The lowest number is 9, right? So that means another way of saying that is 9 with no leftovers. Okay? Always start with the smallest number in the collection, in the branch, in the work. 10 is what? 9 with 1 leftover. And of course, 9 with 1 leftover. And 9 with 1 leftover. Okay, so our answer then is 9, right? We got 9 in all 4 divisions. And how many leftovers do we have all together? You got to add up the leftovers. You don't add up the division numbers, right? The 9, but you do add up all the leftovers. So we got 1 leftover, 2 leftover, 3 leftover, no leftovers. So 9, remainder 3. So let's see if that's correct. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. And we have a winner chicken dinner. I hope this winds up being helpful to you. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, please send an email to deliomath@gmail.com. See you next time, Math Geniuses.